A country report is a research project that teaches readers about a nation's geography, people, government, and culture. Think of yourself as a travel writer and teacher at the same time. Start by learning key vocabulary. Geography means land and climate. Population means how many people live there. A landmark is a famous place. Next, organize your report into clear sections. Include location and geography, capital city, population, national flag, government type, language, landmarks, and cultural fun facts. For example, Japan is an island country in East Asia, and Tokyo is its capital city. Use maps, flag drawings, and photos to help readers understand your information. First, collect notes in a graphic organizer. Then, turn notes into sentences. Instead of writing Tokyo, big city, write Tokyo is a large city in Japan's capital. Always paraphrase facts in your own words. Include sources, revise carefully, and share your finished report proudly.